If you're frustrated that your Word documents keep getting saved to OneDrive instead of your own computer, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to save your Word files directly onto your local PC, so you're in full control of where your important documents live. By the end, you'll know how to quickly save just one file to your computer, or if you prefer, change a setting so every document goes there by default. Let's dive right in with the first method, which is perfect if you just want to save a single file to your computer this one time, without affecting how other files save in the future. So go ahead and open up the Word document you want to save. Now look up in the top left of your screen and click File. From here, choose Save As. You'll see a window pop up which is called the Save As dialog. This is where you tell Word exactly where the file should go. Here's an important tip. In this dialog, look for an option on the left that says This PC. Click that and now you can browse through all the folders on your computer. For example, you can dive straight into the Classic Documents folder or pick something more specific, like a project folder you created. Navigate to wherever you want your file stored and double-check that location. Once you're all set, just hit Save. That's it. You've sidestepped OneDrive and put your file exactly where you want it. But maybe you're finding that every time you try to save something, Word keeps pushing you toward OneDrive as the default, even when you don't want it to. If that sounds familiar, it's time for method 2. Making your PC the default save location for all files. First, open up Word. Don't worry if you're starting from scratch, just launch the app. Click File again, but this time scroll all the way down and choose Options. A new window pops up. On the left sidebar, click on the Save tab. Take a moment here, it might look a little busy, but we're only after one setting. Find the checkbox labeled Save to Computer by Default and click it. This tells Word, stop steering me to the cloud, give me my PC first. If you always use a particular folder, like a client folder on your desktop, you can set that as your default local file location. Simply hit Browse and navigate to your desired spot. Once everything looks good, click OK and close out of Word. You'll need to restart Word for these changes to actually take effect, so just close the program and open it back up again. Next time you save, you'll see your PC as the main choice, much less hassle. Now, here's something important you'll want to watch out for. Many Windows computers have the Documents, Desktop, and Pictures folders set up to sync automatically with OneDrive. So if you choose one of those as your save location, your files can still end up syncing to the cloud. To really make sure your files stay local, pick a folder outside of those sync locations. Maybe something custom you create, like /local docs, or another spot you know isn't tracked by OneDrive. And if you really, truly don't want certain folders to sync with OneDrive at all, you can disable sync for specific locations. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar, usually at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click it and select Settings. Go to the Sync and Backup section, then Manage Folders. From here, uncheck any folders like Desktop or Documents that you don't want OneDrive to touch. This step is especially useful if you want maximum privacy or need to avoid accidental uploads. Alright, that's the rundown. With these methods, you can finally save your Word documents exactly where you want, without Microsoft nudging you toward OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tips just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy being in charge of your own files.